Hey everybody, how you doing? Okay, this could be the last video at my trailer before the new set of videos come out at my brother Mike's place. I make this video on Saturday. You're probably not going to see it on until Monday, as I've got the videos, set up and staged to go out on YouTube. So Sunday I'm tearing the computer system down, and then Monday I'm going to deliver it and set it up at Mike's place, where I will make the next video, which is pictures and the move. Once I break down the computer and the desk and everything, I got to thank my next door neighbors, John and Julie. They're going to load up Speedwagon for me, and then when I get there, my brother Mike will meet me real quick, and then we'll get the heavy stuff in, and then I'll be left to my devices to set the computer up. Now, since this is going to be a fresh, brand new install, if you will, the computer desk I have, and some end tables and triple monitors and speakers and microphones and everything, I'm going to be able to do this right and not have everything packed on my little desk, and I'm going to be able to, in a computer, a monitor in front of me laying down so I can see the computer, yada yada yada. And I've got some heavy duty power strips that I bought off of Amazon years ago for various reasons, that I have regular power strips utilized right now, about 3 of them. And I have some USB power strips, if you will, that you can plug things into, because there's only like 3 on the computer. And I use a wireless mouse and a wireless keyboard, and it takes up a lot of room. But anyway, the way the desk is configured, with a little slot on the back, a backing board, if you will, and the computer being about a foot off the wall base for my pedals, for my iRacing, I'm going to be able to set this up the way I think it should be set up, with the end tables on the side of the desk, where I'm going to have the monitors straight across. I only use the extra monitors for peripherals, like my sim racing apps and other stuff like that. So I only use 1 monitor for the racing, and then the other 2 monitors for peripherals. And I've already broke down the monitors and taken them out, and since I'm working on a single monitor right now, wow, after working on multiple monitors, working on a single monitor is a pain in the ass, especially when you're doing the editing and everything. So I'm going to have everything set up the way I think I want it. Have the heavy duty power strips mounted on the back of the desk, or on the front of this backing plate, so I can get to it. Going to have the computer on a end table, side table. It's going to be, I think it's going to be a lot smoother, efficient unit for me to work, not so much for you guys. But anyway, I'll get pictures of it once I get it all set up. Probably won't have the iRacing stuff set up. I'll just get up the editing stuff and get it set up kind of the way I think I want it, and then we'll go from there. All right, next time I see you should be at my brother Mike's place. Thank you very much for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you again.